unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
If your ELF bar is making noise after use, it could be due to condensation buildup inside the device, which is common in vaping products. To fix this, try gently tapping the device against your hand to dislodge any excess liquid. Ensure it's not overused or inhaling too forcefully, as this can also cause noise. Regular maintenance, including checking for blockages and ensuring it's properly charged, can prevent future issues. If the problem persists, consider contacting the manufacturer for further assistance.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.